What is going on, boys? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to add anywhere from $500 to $1,000 worth of extra value to your car flip. Without further ado, let's get right into it. I'm gonna start with the headlights. As y'all can see, these headlights aren't that bad. Obviously there's a little bit of fog there, but overall these aren't the worst condition headlights I've seen. This one's definitely better than that one. We're just gonna touch them up, sand it down, get any crap off it. Yeah, let's do that. My bottle of soap water. We're gonna first spray these on the headlights. Nice and moist. After spraying with water, you want to sand down the full headlight. Spray down again and wipe off the residue. Next, use your higher grit sandpaper and do the same thing. Spray down again and wipe with a microfiber cloth. After this, you're going to grab your polish and polish the surface. After getting the full surface, wipe all the residue with your microfiber cloth. And don't mind all the extra crap down there, that'll be cleaned off, but here's the little difference. They weren't that bad as it was, but you can definitely tell that this one here is definitely nicer. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other one. I'm gonna show you all the results when I'm done. All right, both headlights are now done. This one is also done. They're looking a lot more clear, a lot more nice. This is how you add hundreds of dollars worth of value to your car flip. Finally, time to transform the full interior on our 2008 CR-V. Here's a before shot. Here's a before of the car. As you can see, it is disgusting. There's water bottles. There's every single piece of bacteria imaginable in this car. The doors are brown as I don't even know what it is. There's a metal thing in the back. Shit everywhere, man. It's disgusting. Like this shit was disgusting. I started by picking up random things in the car. I don't know what this metal thing is. I then vacuumed up all the carpets until they're completely spotless. Don't forget to vacuum the seats. I vacuumed the back as well. You might have put a couple people back there. And then here's me vacuuming the carpets, getting everything clean, spraying down, wiping everything down. There's my ass. Wiping everything in the inside down, making sure it's completely clean for the next person. It's gonna be super nice after this, just wait. As you can see, I'm still wiping down every single inch imaginable in this car. Now this guy's yapping. We now have the interior fully cleaned up after about 2 hours of full work. I'm sweating out here. See how well we did. Here it is here, absolutely amazing, spotless everywhere. The doors are new, everything is beautiful. I did leave a little shit stain on the carpet. I didn't have carpet cleaner, but other than that, this thing is looking amazing. After cleaning up the headlights, the interior and the exterior, that is how you transform your car and add anywhere from $500 to $1,000 worth of value. Those wondering, there will be a full process video on how I completely transform this car, so stay tuned for that. It'll be out once this car is sold. If you enjoy this type of content, make sure you subscribe. There's gonna be a ton of it this summer, and you guys will be able to learn a ton from these videos. So if you're new, hit the subscribe button, it's free. I'll catch you guys in the next one, and have a great day. Peace.